These 3 user personas, complete with goals, pain points, and jobs to be done, were generated in under 2 minutes with AI. Whether you're a business owner, a freelancer, a creator, or a product manager, you need to understand your audience. Interviews, surveys, analysis, weeks of work. A user persona is basically a character sketch of your ideal customer. Instead of saying my customer is anyone who shops online, you make it concrete. This is Emily, 32, a busy working mom who values convenience and hates wasting time. Instead of designing for everyone, you can ask, would this actually help Emily? The problem? Building personas the traditional way takes way too long. That's where AI comes in. It won't replace talking to real people, but it gives you a solid draft in minutes instead of weeks.
Okay, so here's the exact prompt that I use all the time. Go ahead and take a screenshot if you want to try it out yourself. First, you want to give your LLM a role. You are a product researcher. Based on the business context I provide, create 3 distinct user personas. And then you have all these bullets here of what you want to include. Now let's pause on that last part, a jobs to be done statement. The format is when I insert the situation, I want to insert motivation so I can, and then insert the outcome. So a simple example, when I'm rushing to catch a flight, I want to check in from my phone so I can skip the line at the airport. Or if you're a creator, when I post on Instagram, I want a quick caption idea so I can stay consistent without overthinking it. This makes personas much more actionable than just a list of traits. So here's a contextual prompt I would use. You are a product researcher. Based on this business context, create 3 distinct user personas. We're building a marketplace that connects local gardeners who have surplus flowers and greenery with florists who need fresh and unique inventory. The platform allows gardeners to list what they have available, and florists or even planters can browse, purchase, and coordinate pickup or delivery. I asked it to create 3 personas, one for a small independent florist, one for a hobbyist gardener with surplus flowers, and one for a wedding event planner sourcing unique blooms. Let's give it a run. And just like that, AI gives me personas like Maria, 38, an independent florist who values unique seasonal blooms but struggles with consistent sourcing. Okay, so let's really bring these personas to life. Create a professional headshot of a 38-year-old female florist wearing casual work clothes standing in a flower shop. Realistic, professional, consistent style. Now let's see what happens. Now we have both the persona description and the matching face to make it more relatable for stakeholders. Okay, and from there we can put together 2 more similar prompts for the remaining user personas. And here's the image for the last persona. So I'll go ahead and use this prompt here. You will now assume the role of a product marketer. Now that we have our 3 personas and persona images, please make each persona concise enough for a 3-slide presentation, 1 persona per slide. All right, so ChatGPT has created the deck. Let's take a look. All right, here it is. So once you've got these personas, how do you use them? Well, for product and design teams, you can build features around real user needs. For marketers, you can sharpen ad targeting and messaging. And small business owners, you can craft better offers and campaigns. Creators, figure out what type of content your audience craves. And also for freelancers, pitch services in a way that speaks directly to your clients. And the best part, because it's so quick, you can keep personas fresh. Not once every 2 years, but quarterly or whenever you get new feedback.
AI doesn't replace talking to your audience, but it finally makes personas practical. Whether you're building a product, growing a channel, or running a business, this is one of the fastest ways to get clear on who you're serving and what they really want. I'll drop both prompts in the description below. Try them out, generate your own personas and visuals, and let me know what you come up with.